this video, we're going to learn how to divide a decimal by a decimal. They can be written as fractions or they can just be written with a division symbol. So if it's written as a fraction, it also means divide. We can't divide by a decimal, so you have to change the denominator into a whole number by making an equivalent fraction. So just have a little check and think, what can we multiply the 0.6 by, in example 1, to make that a whole number? I'm going to multiply by 10. Sometimes you can just multiply by 2 or 3 or 5, but 10, 100, 1000 is the most common. So we're going to multiply both parts of the fraction by 10. So that will give us 240 divided by 6, which we can work out. I'll just set it up like a division. 6 doesn't go into 2, carry the 2. 6 into 24 goes 4 times. 6 into 0 goes 0 times. The answer is 40. Now some people think we multiplied by 10 at the start, so we now have to divide by 10. That is not true. We have not multiplied by 10. We've just made an equivalent fraction. 240 over 6 is exactly the same as 24 over 0.6. They are equivalent to each other. So we're done. That is our final answer. The answer is 40. So just remember, you can't divide by a decimal, so you need to multiply both parts of the fraction so that your denominator is no longer a decimal. It doesn't matter if the numerator is a decimal, you just don't want the denominator to be a decimal. Okay, the second one. This time we need to multiply by 100 because we need to move the 0.05 2 places to make it into the units column. So we will get 35 divided by 5. I can actually do that one in my head. 35 divided by 5 is 7. No need to do a division sum. And that's our answer for question 2. Question 3 is not written as a fraction, but I'm going to write it as a fraction to make it easier. And then we're going to just get an equivalent fraction. So this time we're going to multiply by 10. Okay, so the top is a decimal, which is fine. We just need to do a little division sum. We can divide by 3. 3 into 1 doesn't go, carry the 1. 3 into 14 goes 3 times, remainder 2. 3 into 21 goes 7. Our final answer is 0.37. And that's how you divide a decimal by a decimal.